It's getting all ready done, you feel me? Getting all ready done. Oh yeah, we got white tees for days. Y'all niggas step your white tee game up. New drawers. Hey, y'all niggas gotta understand that we got drawers all day. The truck is dirty as fuck. Ran into a rainstorm on my way home. That shit pissed me off. Cause I was been shining my shit. You feel me? So we about to go get her washed before we go pick up this load in Chicago and chill out. Oh yeah, we back at it. We get our money in and off. You feel me? Woo!